Even in sickness, the battle must continue. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. So thank you all for the well wishes. I'm feeling a little better, taking in a lot of liquids. But anyway, what do I have for you guys? China, May, the month of May, EV sales, Deutsche Bank expects NIO at 27,000, second best month ever. Tesla at 39. So 27 to 39, and we're high end. It used to be where Tesla would be for 1 month, 80,000. They're down to 39. Very strange. NIO's second best month, and whilst this is happening, BYD is prosecuted for human trafficking in Brazil and for slavery-like working conditions. You can't make this up. And I'm not surprised about BYD. Whilst NIO completed full county level coverage of battery swap stations in Tianjin, swapping is becoming just as convenient as refueling. Yes, you heard that right. By the end of this year, every county in China will be blanketed with battery swap stations. There will be no need to wait, 30 minutes to charge an EV or even longer. And whilst all of that's happening, what is Emperor William Lee of NIO doing to ensure our delivery numbers keep ramping up? Well, we know that our new NT platform models were just released, and the CEO, William Lee, said that customer experience is everything. It's basic common sense. If you love the experience of the car that you have, after you're looking to buy another one, you'll choose that same brand most likely. And we're creating the perfect ecosystem, where I spoke about it on my last video. We're trying to control some of the supply chain with the lithium, making our own batteries. And why is that so important? Because you see what BYD is doing. Because they make their own batteries, they can slash prices by half and take a small loss just to defeat the competition, because their technology can't keep up with NIO. So if we make our own batteries, well, now you see where I'm going with this. We make our own chips. We are controlling the supply chain and the infrastructure. So NIO vehicles, and this just happened yet again to show you, we are trying to give the customer that superior experience. This is from the automotive world. NIO vehicles to receive connected parking services from Parkopedia. On-street parking functionality to be added to all current European NIO models. Parkopedia and NIO are working together to provide on-street parking functionality to all of the brand's European models. This partnership sees extensive high-quality Parkopedia data provided to NIO drivers, enabling them to easily locate on-street parking and decide where to park. So, in all these congested European cities, this is a big deal. And again, customer experience. It says connected car services are in high demand with drivers globally. Connected cars. You see, in America, the government, whether it's the Biden administration or Trump administration, they poop in their pants, not wanting Chinese EVs to come here. They prefer us stay in the Flintstone era, the dinosaur age, because they prefer their citizens to drive Stone Age vehicles, whilst the Europeans, and this is a playbook that has happened before, I said it before, where Toyota went to Europe and the rest of the world, and then they had no choice but to let them in. It says with 92% of motorists worldwide experiencing difficulties in finding parking, according to the most recent global driver survey. And this is one of the main reasons why people are switching from gas cars, the Stone Age, to EVs, because it's a computer on wheels. It's technology. And the young Chinese, just like young people throughout Latin America, the global South, Europe, They want technology at their hands, in their fingertips, just like with your cell phone. It says, furthermore, 77% of drivers want integrated parking services. So you see why NIO is doing what they do in their vehicles, highlighting the value of OEMs making high-quality services available for their drivers. NIO, meanwhile, continues to grow rapidly around the world, with 2025 sales up by nearly 50%. Yes, you heard that right. Year on year. And cumulative deliveries set to pass 750,000 in May of 2025. The on-street parking functionality made available by... Oh, and let me say this, guy. How many of you guys believe that we had nearly 50% year on year thus far? Going forward, how many of you guys believe we're going to do 100% with the new platform vehicles? Put it in the comment section. The on-street parking functionality made available by this collaboration provides a smarter, more convenient navigation experience for NIO drivers, helping them to find available parking with street parking options shown directly on the integrated navigation system. In addition, the system uses Parkopedia data to highlight the likelihood of finding a space, with light blue sections showing lower likelihood and dark blue sections, excuse me guys, signifying a higher chance of free spaces being available. Drivers are able to view detailed information about each parking zones, including hourly rates. Yes, that's a big deal. You want to know what the hourly rates are. Restrictions and accepted payment methods. And this is very important because I know I use an app here in America called Waze for my navigation, and it shows me where the cheapest prices are for gas. So restrictions and accepted payment methods, helping them plan their journey more efficiently and arrive less stressed at their end destination. NIO's latest software update, Banyan 2.4.1, is rolling out in the next few days across all current NIO models in Europe, delivered wirelessly via a navigation app update on the new NIO App Store. This update brings a host of new features, including parking situation reports and on-street POI information, plus intelligent enhancement designed to enrich the in-car experience, covering improved driver assistance, smarter voice controls, upgraded media streaming, and a new app store. So, whilst the rest of the competition always try to play catch up to us, NIO is always the leader and will continue to be so. And it's just a matter of time where we go past the competition. See, right now we're putting the chips into place. While everyone is concentrating on just pumping out EVs, we are concentrating on controlling the supply chain, controlling the infrastructure, and everything else will fall into place. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational, even though I'm under the weather. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the game is played on Wall Street. And like 50 Cent, we get rich or we die trying, guys.